To install the heated driver's seat on your Matrix vehicle, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is parked on a flat surface and remove the key. Then, remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Lift the hood up slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector and remove the hood from the sled. If equipped, unplug and remove the passenger seat. Then, remove the seat by turning the 1/4 turn latch at the rear of the seat. Pull the seat back and lift up to remove. Continue by removing the 2 fasteners that secure the console and lower intake plenum to the overstructure. Then, remove the 2 pushpin rivets that secure the front of the console to the plenum. Next, remove the 2 fasteners securing the lower portion of the console. Then, remove the pushpin rivet on the right side of the console. Also, remove the clutch spreader tool on the left side of the console. Continue by removing the fuel cap. Ensure no dirt or debris enters the fuel tank. Then, remove the plastic fuel filler neck nut. Next, pull out the sides of the console and lift up the center of the console to disconnect the key switch connector from the key switch. Then, carefully pivot the console over to the right side of the sled with the starter rope still attached. Before continuing, reinstall the fuel cap to prevent dirt or debris from falling into the tank. Next, remove the cap from the driver's side heater switch. Then, connect the main harness connector of the heated seat to the driver's seat heater switch connector on the main harness. Next, carefully route the seat harness upward, align the retention location with the main harness, and secure the seat harness to the main harness with a Panduit strap. Remove any excess strap. Then, flip the console over. Locate the witness mark, and drill around the mark. Once drilling is complete, remove the remaining plastic with a utility knife. Use a deburring tool to clean up the edges until the heated seat switch fits firmly into the hole. Begin reassembly by removing the fuel cap, ensuring no dirt or debris enters the fuel tank. Next, carefully pivot the console back into position. Then, connect the heated seat harness to the heated seat switch. Continue by reconnecting the main harness key switch connector to the key switch. Next, slide the console into place, ensuring the intake screens are fully seated through their mounting locations. Then, reinstall both the plastic fuel filler nut and fuel cap. Next, reinstall the clutch spreader tool on the left side. Then, install the pushpin rivet on the right side. Continue by installing the 2 fasteners on the console and torquing to specification. Next, install the 2 pushpin rivets that secure the front of the console to the lower intake plenum. Then, reinstall the 2 fasteners that secure the console and plenum to the overstructure, and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the two hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Next, plug in the heated seat harness connector to the chassis harness connector. Then, align the groove on the seat with the stem on the sled, and secure it with the 1/4 turn latch. If desired, reinstall the passenger seat and reconnect the harness. Finally, check the heated seat switch for proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.